welcome to the last video of 2020. So for this video, I wanted to share a quick and easy makeup look that you can do to bring in the new year. Whether it's that you're gonna be sitting down with your family in the living room, or you're just gonna do something special or a Zoom party, this look is sure to call some eyes.
And now that you're gone, I'm thinking about old times. I've waited so long for this to be I'm thinking about old times. I've waited so long for this to be I'm always one step behind, wishing I could read your mind, but I'm ready, yeah, never ready. I wish I could have made it stop the first time that you stood me up. I wasn't ready, yeah, never ready. Like a forbidden fruit, I'm still craving for, I'm still wanting more, yeah.
I added a new lipstick too and some lashes, and that's it. I hope you enjoy this look. I hope you have a beautiful New Year's Eve, and 2020 will be your year. Don't doubt it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content, and I see you next year. Bye bye.